Once you've got your website hosted at SiteGround, it's time to install WordPress. Go to Websites, click on Site Tools, then use the App Manager or use the menu on the left to go to WordPress. Install and manage. There's two options here. Install new WordPress or WordPress plus WooCommerce. If you want to create a shop style website, then go with the WooCommerce. This option will install tools that most new website owners are not going to need, so just select WordPress. Fill out all of the form with your own information, choose a nice strong password, and leave the installation path as is to install WordPress in the root directory. That's where it usually belongs. And you don't need the WordPress starter, so I'll take the tick out of the box. And you don't need a multi-site, so click Install. Give it a few minutes for the techie stuff to work, and then you'll be able to log into your website by typing your domain name.com/wp-admin into your browser's address bar. Click on Admin Panel, and that will take you there. This is what your WordPress dashboard looks like. And up here, right click on that, open a link in a new tab, and you'll see what it looks like to the world. We're not quite finished yet. There's another very important thing we need to do, and that's to install a free Let's Encrypt SSL certificate. From your SiteGround Websites tab, click on Site Tools, then use the menu on the left to navigate to Security, SSL Manager. Select the domain name and choose Let's Encrypt. Click the Get button, scroll down, click on the Actions button and Enforce HTTPS, and flick the switch. Congratulations! You've just created a brand new WordPress website with fast, secure hosting and an SSL certificate. Now get started writing some awesome content for your new website, and I'll see you in the next video.